Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing with our September Build a Journal Challenge, where we spend September building a journal one day at a time. If I sound upset, it's because I recorded 3 videos and my microphone wasn't working. Had no idea, which was fine. I figured I'll just do voiceovers, but before I thought of that, I deleted them all, and now I cannot find this one. Can't find this one. So everything's already done and I'm re-recording. Sorry about that. So you missed out on 20 minutes of my wonderful content, okay? Anyway, today we are making our last little things to go in our journals, which means you can make altered paper clips, tabs, tassels, dangles, dangles with beads, dangles with fabric, dangles with ribbon. You can make fabric, paper, ribbon, tabs. You can make whatever you want to go in your journal. So, for my journal, which is right here, I know I wanted a few things. Remember I talked about I wanted charms to dangle off the bottom of my wax thread that I use to sew in my signatures, okay? I want to put a dangle here, so I will punch a hole up at the top and dangle down. I decided I wanted some charms to dangle off my little bulldog clips, and I wanted some tabs. That's what I'm doing, and like I said, they're already done. So, I'm very sorry about that, and I'm really hoping that this is actually recording my voice. My microphone has been on this entire time. I filmed a journal with me before this, and I had to start over 5 times. I was doing that horribly with it, and the first time I realized my microphone wasn't even plugged in. So I had to start over 5 times, only to realize that my microphone is now plugged in, but was not working for 2 videos. So you're going to get a voiceover for that. You've already gotten it at this point. Okay. All right. So I chose 4 different pieces of paper from my scrap paper. I used, hold on, let me grab what I used so you can see. Well, that doesn't belong up there. I used just my We Art corner rounder. And I used this guy here. He is linked in my Amazon storefront. I use him a lot. I really like it. And I use the 1/2 inch. I cut each piece 2 inches by 2 inches, folded in half so they're now 1 inch. And I cut the corners. This one I did with this guy here, this side. All right. This one looks like a little tag. I did with this one. This one here, I just used my corner rounder, and this one, I used this guy, so you could see each one, what it looks like. Okay, sorry that you don't have the video, but, I mean, I could, here, all you do is take, I don't know what size this is, but I did 2 by 2, fold it in half. All right, this is the easiest way if you do not have a punch. Like, if you have that Stampin' Up! Whale tail punch, good for you. But if you don't, or if you have the We Are punch, whatever punch you might have, you can make tabs with, you can use that. I don't have one. So what I did was I just took the 2 by 2 piece, folded in half, scored it. I didn't even use my scoreboard, just folded them in half, and then I punched. Okay. And then this one, because it's that ticket shape, I punched on the bottom too. It's that easy to make a tab. It's that simple. So I have those done. I don't need this one. Let's put that away. And then I grabbed this charm and this charm to hang off the bottom. Okay, so I have these 2 charms to hang off the bottom. I have these 2 to hang off my bulldog clips. And all I did was take these bulb pins. Okay, can you see the bulb pin? Yep, I took the bulb pins and added it to the bottom to the charm, and then I will add that to my bulldog clip. So those will hang off the clips. So I have a cat and then the key. So I have a skull and crossbones, a little journal, a little book, and then the cat and the key, then those. I also have this washi ribbon stuff that I got on clearance at Michael's. And I figured I'm just going to probably bend it in half and staple it on for a little bit of blingy bling maybe. I don't know. I'm losing half cut sequins here. So I have those for tabs also. All right. And then I did this. I grabbed this charm here. It's an owl on a moon, and this is for my dangle for my spine. I found these purple glass beads, and I have, here, let me show you. I can show you that. I have this set from Amazon. Okay. So I just used these to spell out October. You might recognize those because they were on the dangle on my August journal. And then I spelled out the word October and ended it with another purple bead and tied a string. And this is just the hemp twine. And I got it at Hobby Lobby. So I have that. And then I grabbed these trims here to what words am I even using? To finish my little dangle, I wanted some trim. So this trim here is from Temu. You can get it on Amazon, but it's way more expensive. Just gonna let you know. I just grabbed different lengths. I don't know how much I'll need till I'm finished with my dangle, but I doubled up this pink. I'm obsessed with using this pink because there is pink in the journal. So I grabbed this and it'll be doubled up. Okay. So I have that. I have this. I grabbed some black ribbon and some red ribbon. So I would have this here. Okay. And then add this guy in. And that will go on my spine as a dangle. Okay. See? Cute. All right. So when I do this, I will also most likely use one of these bulb pins. So if I have to take it out, I can take it out when I'm journaling. But that's where we're at. I could also do this and maybe I might dangle it from the corner. Depends. You know what? It depends. I'm not going to add this right away. I'm going to wait till I have my cover done and then see if I want to add this on my cover. That's what I'm going to do. Anyway, I apologize for the fact that I lost that footage. I can't find it anywhere. I emptied out every single video in my recycle bin and it's not there. Where did it go? I have no idea, but I emptied out every single one from this date and it's just not there. So I'm sorry you didn't get to see. I mean, honestly, this was just adding beads onto string. This was just adding charms onto a pin, and you saw how I did these. So you're not really missing out on much. You more missed out on me searching for charms and searching for beads. That's more what you missed out on. I'm very sorry about that. But it happens. Technology is not always awesome. So I will see you guys in the next video. Comment down below and let me know what you decided to add to your journal. Are you doing altered paper clips? Are you doing dangles? What are you doing? Let me know down below. And then like, subscribe. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. Have a great rest of your day. I'll try to.